Hey guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss an upload from me. In today's video, I decided to just do a refresh in our kitchen. The wall that's behind the table, it just looked a little bare, so I just wanted to do a little bit something different to just fill it out. So I took an old mirror that we had sitting in the attic and I just spray painted it. I spray painted the frame of this mirror. This mirror is so old. My mom gave me this a long time ago and it's very sentimental to me. I just have been spray painting it and hanging it in new places, but this has actually been in the attic since we moved into this house. I wanted to just kind of give the kitchen a different look, and I wanted light to just reflect from everywhere. So I decided, let me just hang a mirror in there on the wall just so I can see how it would look. I had some paint that got onto the actual mirror, so I took a paint remover solution and to try to get it off, and it actually wasn't getting it off. But believe it or not, I got on Pinterest and I found that oven cleaner actually removes paint from mirrors. Didn't know that. But it actually worked really good. I don't believe that I have showed you guys the new buffet cabinet that I got behind the table there. I got that from Home Goods, of course, a couple months ago. And I switched that out with the old dresser that I had back there, and I put it in the actual family room. So as the days went on, I was looking at this space with that mirror sitting there, and I just took a couple days just to see if I would really like it. And the more I looked at it, the more I realized that it just didn't fit the space. So I just decided to do something else. I still wanted the mirror up there, and then I realized that I have two mirrors in the guest room that have been sitting in there. I actually use these mirrors to make sure I'm in frame when I'm shooting videos. I don't know why I didn't decide to go with that first. I wasted so much time doing all that painting, but such is life. I did get these two mirrors from Home Goods, and I have been having these mirrors for probably a year. You know how you buy something and you know you're going to use it, you don't know where you're going to use it, but you know you want it? That was the case with this purchase, and I bought two of them. And when I put those two mirrors up there, it just made the space look even better. Maybe because it was frameless and the two pictures that are next to it, it just fit well up there. So I'm so glad that I actually changed it. And I really challenged myself in this video because I didn't want to buy anything. I just wanted to use what I had to refresh this space. And it actually worked out really good. As most of you guys know, we did have a family situation where I had to step away from social media for a couple months because it involved 3 of my kids. I do have 3 kids from a previous marriage, and emotionally it did take a toll on them, which took a toll on me as their mom. So I had to tend to them, and you know, you guys, it's when things are unexpected, it's really hard. And I never knew this because this had never happened. It's really hard, and it takes a lot out of you. So I truly understand when I hear other YouTubers speaking about those type of situations. So now that my kids have given me the okay to get back to what I truly love to do, I really truly want to start tweaking my channel a little bit. So you guys will start to see a couple of changes. It won't go too far from what I already do. I just kind of want to start sharing a little bit more of myself and Jason, so you guys can kind of really get to know who we are. You guys see us all on the camera all the time, and I'm sure a lot of people just wonder about things, and I truly want to do things a little different, just because I know when I'm watching other people's videos, there's a certain format that I love to see, especially when it comes to couples. So I'm going to just make a couple of changes. And plus I'm always doing voiceovers, and so I'm going to change a couple things. You guys know I had to get my squeegee out. I love this thing. I will not even wipe my mirrors down with a towel because these mirrors get so squeaky clean, no streaks or anything with a squeegee. I am so glad that I discovered this thing. And I love that Jason was able to get these 2 mirrors together so it looks like one big mirror. I am so happy about that because it makes it look like it's just one piece.
When I'm done, lift me up with your company. There's no time.
And just a little tip, and I have shared this in another video. If you have those tags that has the price on them, and that's how long this tag has been on this mirror. I haven't even taken it off, and this thing has been sitting for a long time in the spare room. But just get a steamer and just steam it, and it actually falls right off. So if you got those stubborn stickers that you cannot get off, which I hate because it's always from Home Goods, you can just use a steamer and it will come right, it'll slide right off. And all the stuff that I'm putting on the table, you guys, I have had this. I didn't buy anything new. I take that back. I did buy some strawberries and cherries, just some fake strawberries and cherries. But I bought those a long time ago because I knew I was going to use them for a kitchen decoration. I just used what I had. And I just put it in a vase, of course, and put my fake flowers. These flowers are so cute. They look so realistic in person. And you can shape them to how you want them. So I just love it. And the table is just simple, you guys. Just for a little summer look. That is pretty much all I did for this refresh. And I hope you guys liked it. So again, as always, you guys, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you to all my newcomers. You guys are welcome here. I appreciate you guys. Always, as usual, meet me in the comments. I try to respond to everybody. So I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.